Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be pulling the subframe. Well, it's actually already out, but we're going to be taking the subframe apart, sandblasting it, painting it, putting new bushings in, and putting it all back together. So it's time to get this thing stripped down and ready to get sandblasted. Do is just hammer this over and it'll just pop off. So that's the subframe. It looks a lot better than it did before. It's not mint. There's a good few runs, but I went really heavy with the paint just to give it as much chance as I could. It's pretty hard to paint inside there, so I just went to town with fucking black spray paint. And yeah, so I got these big old boxes of bushings from Strongflex. I just need to figure out what goes where. What do the numbers mean? Just push in. Now the hardest part, my hands. Oop. That was too easy.
Is that it?
Yep, I'm worried now. That was too easy. So I fucked up on this arm. You actually have to take this whole thing out of this. I thought the bushing would just push into here, but nah, you gotta take this out. Okay. I was not prepared for how hard that was. You have to cut the fucking old bushing. As you can see, I fucked up. And then you gotta push the sleeve in without bending these fucking things, and then push the bushings in. So picture it. What's in there? Obviously to tidy up the bolts. Not gonna lie, that feels fucking amazing to have that back in there. Fuck yeah, dude. What a feeling. It's all hooked up. Handbrake, brakes, prop shafts, arb, everything. It's all done. So once you put the wheels on, you get it back on the floor. Fucking ton, but just to go up and down the driveway, it's fucking fine. Subframe is back in the car. Did a little skid, hope you enjoyed. So yeah, you can change your subframe bushings on the floor, on the gravel floor. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed.